So guys, how's it going? Rachel here. I hope all of you are having an amazing day. Welcome back to today's video. So as you can see on your screen, as well as by the title, I'm unboxing the iPhone 11. This is my first ever Apple device. I've never had an Apple device before, so I'm really excited to have Apple device. We have the iPhone 11, 128 GB in white color, and I'm really excited because it's my first ever Apple device, as I said, so I'm excited to move into a new environment. I've always been using Android since the day that I've had a smartphone, and this is my first ever Apple device, so very excited obviously. So let's get the unboxing going for you guys. So as I said, we have the white color in here, and of course I've already unwrapped the plastic because I can only use one hand, and unwrapping the plastic with one hand is very difficult, so I have unwrapped the plastic. But here we go, the satisfaction moment. Look at that device right there. Nothing in here, obviously. In Samsung, usually all the documents are in here, but in iPhone, I believe it's different. So we have the iPhone 11 in white right here. Let me feel. Wow, it feels amazing in my hand. Oh my god. Like, it literally has a different feeling. Like, Samsung has a different feeling in the hand, and this has a completely different feeling in the hand. But we'll move on to this in a bit. Let's just check out everything that's in the box quickly. So we have all the manuals and stuff. I believe there's some stickers, the SIM ejector tool in here. Not really too interesting things in here, to be honest. Let's move on to the next thing. We obviously have the power adapter to charge the phone. Then we have the AirPods, the wired AirPods right here, which I believe are really good quality. I have used them for my friends before, and they're really nice. So I'm looking forward to using these as well. And obviously we have the USB cable to charge right here. So yep, that's about it that we get in the box. And let me just put this back in the box. It's quite difficult with one hand, as I said, but yeah, okay, I'll just put this to the side for now. I'll close the box because obviously we just want to see the device, want to do everything about the device. So here is the device. I'll power it on for the first time ever, and let's see that Apple logo. I hope it has some battery because I have no idea. Yes, it does have some battery, so the Apple logo has come on. I'll probably do the setup, and then obviously I'll come back to you guys with the full-on video and my hands on, because it's obviously quite personal to do the setup and stuff on video. So yeah, the Apple logo is coming on, and yeah, it says hello. So yeah, I'll be right back. I'll set up the device and we'll be right back with you guys. So yo guys, welcome back. So the screen protector has been applied. I have set up the phone as well. I'm gonna try and get my face recognition done through the, and there we go, the face recognition was easily done. So yeah, the phone has been set up. I have not installed or transferred any data yet because that's gonna take some time, so I'll do that later. But right here you guys can see I have two cases. They're from JTech. I've used their cases before. They are really nice. Honestly, I really like using them. So right here I have a blue silicone one and a transparent, so I'm gonna put them on and show you guys. So I'll be right back. So, yep, welcome back. So right here I put on the transparent case. It's pretty good, honestly speaking. It's actually really good. And there we go, my Face ID worked, the phone unlocked. So as you guys can see, this is the transparent case right here. It has all the buttons and everything. Obviously the cutouts are correct. Yeah, it feels really good in the hand, but honestly I really like this blue one. Main reason being because I'll show you guys right here. This one, the feeling in the hand is just, the texture is so different, and also the interior, I don't know if you guys can notice, but it's like a fabricated clothing. I don't know how to explain. It just has a different protection. So I'm gonna put this on and show you guys as well. I'll be right back. So welcome back guys. So here is the blue one, and obviously you guys can't see the phone's color from inside obviously, but damn, this feels amazing in the hand, this cover right here. Let me know which cover you guys prefer. Do you guys prefer the transparent one or this one right here? I'd really like to know from you guys, so let me know. I'd really appreciate that. And yep, as I said, my first ever Apple device, so I'm really looking forward to it. And yeah, I'm really fortunate to be able to get this iPhone 11 128 GB. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah, one more thing before I actually end this video, I have one more thing. So I know I just said thank you for watching and stuff, but to those of you that actually stayed around until the end of this video, I have a surprise for you guys. I have one more unboxing to do for you guys, and that is the AirPods. I have also got the AirPods. They're the Apple AirPods 2nd generation. So let's do a quick unboxing for these as well. They're pretty good as well in my opinion. I have seen many of my friends use it and also had reviews about them, and honestly really looking forward to it. Once again, paperwork in here, obviously the usual stuff. Right here we have the AirPods. And underneath this, there's obviously the cable as well, I believe. Yeah, there's a cable as well for that. So, very simple stuff. Let's open these really quick. I hope I can open it with one hand. Easy peasy. There we go. I can do it with one hand. Let's go. There we go. It's out. And yeah, right here is the AirPods, and I hope that it does not appear on my phone because Bluetooth is off. So I hope my phone doesn't wake up and just take this thing. So yeah, this is the AirPods 2nd generation. I have not used them yet. I'll be using them with the iPhone obviously. But yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Now for real, thank you so much for watching guys. I really appreciate your support. Make sure you subscribe if you guys are new. I'd really appreciate that. Drop a like if you're enjoying these type of contents. I'd really appreciate it, like creating. And follow my streams as usual on trovo.live/Rach. Guys, link to it is in the description. And with that, I'll see you all next time. Take care. Have an amazing rest of your day guys. Peace out.